Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to download WhatsApp on your mobile device. Now let's begin. On your mobile device, simply open up the Play Store if it's Android, else open up the App Store if it is an iPhone. Now let's simply search for WhatsApp. Well, as you can see, as per the search results, this right here is WhatsApp Messenger. Do note that you can install it from right here by clicking on this button. But in case you want more information, simply click on this WhatsApp Messenger button right here. And then from here, you can see lots of information provided, like ratings and reviews and everything. Let's simply go right back up and hit on install right now. As you can see, WhatsApp is being installed. It might take some time depending upon your network speed. As you can see, WhatsApp has successfully finished downloading and installing. Let's simply hit on open. Well guys, that's it. That's how you download WhatsApp on your mobile device. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.